Children, let's continue. You must be remembering what happened last time. Lakshman's son went with Naduk because Naduk told he had to give some gift he had brought for his friend. Now Lakshman felt very guilty. Lakshman felt he was ashamed. Guilty means he was ashamed because he spoke lie. So he was feeling ashamed. Not only had he got away with his lie, but Naduk seemed to believe him. Means, and he was thinking in his mind, he had in his mind somewhere ki yes, whatever I did is all right, and now my friend believed me. He was thinking this ki his friend believed him, whatever lie he had spoken. At the same time, he was anxious to see what his friend had got for him. He was guilty, he had that guilt feeling, but he was also curious. Anxious means he wanted to know, he wanted to see what his friend had brought for him as a gift. So he called Ramu and asked him to go along with his friend Nadu. Naduk took the boy home. Naduk took the boy home. He led him to the cellar of his house, locked him in, and went about his work. He took Lakshman's son Ramu to the cellar of his house, means a room which is underground, ground level, a room which is in basement. He took his son there, locked him, and went for his work. When Ramu did not return home by evening, his father worried. Now Lakshman got very worried when his son did not return. He went to Naduk and asked him where the boy is. Where is his son? He asked his friend ki, where is my son? Something terrible happened. Now see what Naduk is telling. Naduk told, something horrible happened when we were on our way. When I was coming with your son to my house, something horrible happened, replied Naduk. A hawk, means a big bird, swooped down, flew downwards, and attacked your son and carried him off before I could do. Means I was helpless. That bird was so dangerous and it attacked your son, and I can't help it. I could not help in that situation. I could not do anything in that situation. That's a lie. Lakshman told, I can't believe that's a lie. How can a bird carry off a 15-year-old boy? A bird cannot carry a 15-year-old boy in its beak. It's something impossible. A quarrel started between Naduk and Lakshman. Both of them started arguing there. Both of them started arguing means fighting, or you can say quarreling amongst each other. A big crowd gathered as the two men shouted at each other. Both of them started blaming each other, and finally they decided to go to court. Then they thought that the final decision will be taken by the judge there. So let's go to the court. As soon as they entered the magistrate, means as soon as they entered the judge's room, Lakshman cried. Lakshman started crying. He told, Your Honor, this man has stolen my son. Please ask him to give me back my boy. Then Lakshman told the judge that this man has taken my son, has stolen my son, and he hasn't yet returned. Your Honor, means the way you address the judge. You must have seen this in the movies, children. The way you address judge. So he said ki, Your Honor, this man has stolen my son and is not returning me back. The judge ordered Naduk to do so. Then to do so means that the judge ordered Naduk to give his son back. Naduk said, Sir, how can I, when before my very eyes a hawk carried off the boy, how can I return when the bird has taken, the big bird had come and it had taken the son away? What can I do? What could I do? You are a liar, shouted the judge. Magistrate shouted, You are a liar. How can a bird fly off with a boy? This is something impossible. Bird cannot carry a boy. To this Naduk replied, If the mice at Lakshman's place can eat up an iron beam, an iron rod, then a hawk can carry off a boy. First he told me a lie. This Naduk said to the judge. He told lie. He said I had kept a rod safely with him. He said mice had eaten it up. Now the way the mice had eaten this rod, so a hawk can also carry a boy. If mice can eat rod, bird can also carry a boy. The magistrate wanted to know what it was all about. Then magistrate, the judge, wanted to know the whole story. What happened? Naduk related the story. Naduk told the story. The people in the courtroom started laughing. They had a good laugh. All the people who were sitting there, they started laughing. The magistrate then ordered Lakshman to return the beam to Naduk and Naduk to return Lakshman's son. So then the judge ordered कि both of them please, the Lakshman should return the iron beam back and Naduk should return his son back to him. So you should be faithful to your friend, children. You should be true to your friend. You should be true and kind to your friend. That's it. And this was the story about the two friends.